Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So I created a pure AWS certification exam preparation application. So recently, basically, I'm studying for my AWS certification exam, and every time, basically, I'm just getting the same questions, same answers, and same explanation. So I asked one question to myself, like, what if I can create one application that basically generate automated questions, unique questions, not the same questions. So here basically I am here to demo you. So I built one AWS exam application preparation that is purely based on Amazon Bedrock, and so there is no questions bank, no hard coding content, just real AI generated questions live and every time if user come on to this application. So here let's start. I will just demo you. So if you see here, this is our application. So here you can give four certification exam like AWS Certified AI Practitioner, then ML Engineer Associate, Gen AI Developer, and Data Engineer. So here basically you want to configure your with your credential for AWS. If you click on configure, our application asks for this. You want to give AWS region, then access key ID, secret key access key. After that, if you provide that credentials, you see like you want to select your model, what model you want to select, and just click on save and apply. If you click on that save and apply, so it's going to, if you click on it, so I just post it on my LinkedIn also, if you can see here. So if you click on save and apply, it's generate the exam questions, and after generating, so if you see this next step, so I generated 50 questions, so all are unique questions, and 50 questions are generating, and the time basically I'm using is 90 minutes. If you see here, we have a timer also, and after that this question generated by model, and it's we have in this question which is the primary purpose of the machine learning model training data set. So it's generated by bedrock model from backend side, and this I just basically give 6 questions, and 3 is correct and 3 is wrong. So below you see questions reviews also, why it is wrong, why it is correct, and what the option is correct. So you also click on this retake exam, so you redirect to the same page and you can again give the exam. So yeah, that's all. I hope you liked it. It's a very genuine application for everyone. So I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.